Otoni the G Tremoch rag and Keskasilians skians lay my fifth mir gurno egorion or tars obma rag Keskelzel hag reitha ha disputia testeno warrantavus in keva istri ha taclo divers war and one is sogeth a gerno.
Well, skians you Keskasilians academic a drodden ober is your mos in rack war canuic in dre with France a drodden yaith hagen drodden yaith in Kemeneth in Weth Leas taclo the very grioneth dwar taclo a drodden yaith I honen you meddles the publicy of Tiskian yaith hag in Weth taclo a drodden lay Canuic in Kerno and Didiomar in Bees Economic.
There's a Lies Hanno of Rio, Kelzel War and Destin a Gurnoic. There's a Ken McKinnon, Alan Kent. There's a Nicholas Williams, John Mills, ha Ken George, ha Julian Holmes. All another gans Testeno diverse.
Kinsaran, per the les, them of dal debav. In Arbenek, dro the Tregear homilies, yeah. Ni wasn't the mer a draw hedna, though nepith knoweth ragave.
Arth Alan Kento Pertheles, ni rugavi clues kins, ninzessa homilies Tregear Trellius Ganza Tregear Hionan in Tian. Itho Ales them the clues if that's a Trelia Arrow and with Stephen Thomas Doverisa or Thomas Stevens Martesan. If that's a taclo discus genev in RF Allen.
Moyes deg person warnigans eth and Keskasilians sinses than Penskull Tremoch.